Hendrix for the vibe. Sacred geometry for the codes. It is a beautiful day here in DC, and we're just gonna go to the park, get some prana and some vitamin D, basically lubricate our bodies with a nice little gentle flow. Prana is that life force energy, that good air that we breathe, those oxygen molecules. She knows about it. Look at her garden over there. Love your prana. Yes. She did this. She was like, yes. And I was like, yes. And she had a great garden, so I gotta get on that. All right, so we're walking up this hill. Sometimes it's good to walk up hills backwards because then you don't have that knee pressure, but it's really good. You know, like when you're in running and track, you have one of the exercises we do just to like reverse and lubricate the other muscles. First things first, we're gonna start with the feet. We gotta get warmed up here. Start with our toes. Nice little bend, point, point, flex, point, flex, point, flex. If you wanna go faster, you're gonna work the shin and you're gonna work the calf as well. Okay, 1, 2, go around. Go around, go around, go around. Other side.
That was a good one. So you give them a good throw and you don't catch it.
Go around, go around, go around, go around. Okay, here we go. Start with the knees. Start all the way. Other side. Okay, but you get the point. You gotta do that. You can also hold on to the side, just like this, and do your leg swings here. And here. All right, did you get those? So, press up, squeeze. Tuck your tailbone under, you'll see. Tuck under, press. Knee comes into alignment with the other knee. Good. Now, other side, press back. Here you to go. Just like that. See, I'm already starting to work with sweat. Like you can see the little sweat beads. All right, anyway, let's start with our spine. We're gonna go to the side, to the side, to the side, side, to the side. Yep. Arms, arms, arms. Yes, next ones. We're gonna bring knees down. We're gonna bring our chest forward. Chest goes concave. Chest is forward. Chest goes concave. Just like this. Chest forward. Chest goes concave. All right, now we're sitting down, just like this. Nice hip opener. We're gonna stack our ankle on top of our knee, knee on top of ankle. We're gonna breathe until our knee touches our ankle. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Other side. There it is. Now that it's touched. There it is. Now that it's touched. We're done. We're gonna go right to our neck, head, shoulder region. Ear to shoulder, other side, ear to shoulder. Press down. Just take this hand slightly, press onto your ear, rest your hand to the side. Other side, we're going, all right? Great, look left, look right, look left, look right. All right. And we're done. Now our body's warmed up for whatever activities we want to do now. All right. It's absolutely necessary for especially melanated people to get vitamin D because we absorb the sun and it increases our capacity to do things at a higher level. Second thing, everybody needs prana, everybody needs oxygen, vitamin D in order to feel good, okay? Oxygen is critical for life.
Tired as shit.
No, I will not. I just was like trying to deep breathe for these hosts. Yeah, anyway, oxygen's great. Highly recommended. 10 out of 10 would buy again. Another thing is that everybody looks better when they're tan. So getting in the sun gets you tan. You'll enjoy it. And then finally, being out in nature is how you connect to the divinity within yourself as a spiritual creator on this planet. Nature has provided the blueprint for us all to live in harmony with one another, no matter race, creed, whatever differentiating factor you want to say. Every plant is different. Every plant is living and thriving in an environment that's for us. So yeah, nature is the blueprint and we need to follow her and we need to take care of her.